Angel Falls, a journey to the world's highest waterfall. Ever dreamed of witnessing a place so grand, so breathtaking, it feels like it belongs in another world? Prepare to be amazed. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to a true natural marvel. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Hidden deep within Venezuela's Canaima National Park, Angel Falls isn't just any waterfall. It's the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, a colossal cascade plummeting an astonishing 979 meters. That's over 3,200 feet. To put that in perspective, it's roughly 15 times taller than Niagara Falls. Imagine that sheer power, that incredible drop. The water free falls for so long, it often turns into a fine mist before even touching the ground below. And where does this magnificent waterfall emerge from? Auyán-tepui. These aren't just mountains, they're ancient flat-topped table mountains found only in the Guiana Highlands. Angel Falls specifically tumbles from Auyán-tepui, or Devil's Mountain in the local Paymon language. These isolated plateaus are like lost worlds, home to unique ecosystems and shrouded in a sense of ancient mystery. It's no wonder they inspired the floating mountain in Disney's Up. But how did this remote wonder come to be named Angel Falls? It's a fascinating story. The falls are named after American aviator Jimmy Angel. In 1933, while searching for a valuable ore bed, he was the first person to fly over these majestic falls. Then, in 1937, he even attempted to land his plane, the El Rio Caroni, on top of the Auyán-tepui. He succeeded, but the plane got stuck in the marshy ground, forcing him and his companions to trek for 11 days to get back to civilization. His incredible adventure captivated the world, and so the falls bear his name. Reaching Angel Falls isn't a simple sightseeing trip, it's an expedition. Located deep within the isolated jungle of Canaima National Park, most journeys begin with a flight to Canaima Camp. From there, it's an exhilarating multi-day boat trip up the Carao and Churun rivers in traditional dugout canoes, followed by a trek through the dense rainforest. It's an immersive experience, connecting you with the raw beauty of nature and the indigenous Pimon culture who guide these incredible journeys. The best time to visit is during the rainy season, from June to December, when the rivers are high and the falls are at their most powerful. Angel Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's a testament to the Earth's incredible power and beauty. A journey here is truly a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Angel Falls? Or have you been? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.